Meaning of keyhole.
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 Keyhole. The term keyhole can refer to a few different things, depending on the context. One meaning of keyhole is a small, often circular-shaped hole in a lock that allows a key to be inserted and turned to unlock or lock something, such as a door or a safe. In another context, keyhole can refer to a type of surgery where a small incision is made and a thin tube with a camera attached to it, called an endoscope, is used to view and operate on internal organs or tissues. Finally, keyhole can also refer to a type of peephole or viewing opening that is shaped like a keyhole, often found on doors or in decorative patterns. So, the meaning of keyhole would depend on the context in which it is being used.